There are hundreds of different grasses, and most lawns are made up of a variety of different types. Some are much more desirable than others. Lawns can become infested by weed grasses or less desirable types naturally. The most common here in the UK is Poa annua. This type typically produces seed heads or flowers each year in late spring. These are often mistaken for weeds, but it's just grass. These come in from various sources: birds, feet, wind. Because there's no chemical treatment that can control individual grass types, the best method for managing these nuisance grasses is to control them as early as possible by cutting them out and reseeding with better, stronger varieties. Patches containing these weed grasses often become more obvious during dry periods, when their growth habit leads to thicker, longer, greener leaves, making them more prominent. The correct fertiliser programme will help the better grasses stay strong, lush, green, and outperform any intruders trying to muscle in. Heavily compacted soil is a direct relation to poor grass condition. Therefore, aeration is vital to maintain a thick, healthy lawn. Scarifying will also reduce the severity of the weed grasses growing in your lawn. For more information on our services, head over to our website or follow us on social media.